Are you an online business or a content creator seeking to take your video marketing to soaring heights? Look no further than Vidstreampro. This remarkable video hosting platform is tailor-made for your needs, offering a comprehensive and feature-rich solution that guarantees nothing short of excellence. Unlike conventional hosting services or free tube platforms, Vidstreampro sets itself apart with its unparalleled advantages. Expect lightning-fast loading times, seamless video playback, and an array of cutting-edge tools that will elevate your viewers' experience to new heights. At the heart of Vidstreampro lies its user-friendly and intuitive design. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a novice content creator, this platform streamlines video hosting and management, making it an absolute breeze. Explore the impressive features and benefits of Vidstreampro. Chapters: engage your audience better by incorporating video chaptering, alerting them to content changes and keeping them hooked. Appearance control: with total control over your video's appearance, including skin color and button style, you can create a visually captivating experience that aligns with your brand. Playlists, channels: curate engaging playlists or channels by selecting multiple videos, maximizing viewers' engagement and retention. Transcriptions: seamlessly create and edit video transcriptions for subtitles and extra SEO-optimized content, enhancing accessibility and discoverability. Subtitles: boost viewer engagement on social platforms and sales videos by adding subtitles to your videos. Transcoding: optimize load speeds and cater to mobile users by resizing your videos to 1080p, 720p, 480p, and 360p. Streaming: schedule and conduct live sessions and webinars with ease using Vidstreampro's special iframe feature. Player control: enhance the viewing experience by selecting specific player controls for a better and more tailored interaction. Domain control: secure your videos by choosing allowed domains for hosting your iframe, preventing unauthorized sharing. Responsive embeds: enjoy the flexibility of responsive code that automatically resizes your videos to fit any page container. Email embeds: enrich your email campaigns with animated GIF clips of your videos, sharing them seamlessly with your audience. Direct video links: easily share videos with or without password protection using direct links, allowing for hassle-free sharing. Chromecast and AirPlay: effortlessly stream your videos from your Apple or Android device to compatible devices for a captivating full-screen experience. Easy video imports: seamlessly import existing videos from Dropbox, Wistia, Vimeo, YouTube, OneDrive, Google Drive, and S3, simplifying your content management process. Analytics: stay on top of your video performance with detailed views, impressions, clicks, watch time, engagement rate, and more. My verdict: why Vidstreampro is a must-have investment. Having had the privilege of beta testing Vidstreampro, I can confidently assert that this product is worth every penny. Here's why it's a must-have for your video marketing endeavors. Enhanced video experience: Vidstreampro's lightning-fast loading times and flawless video playback guarantee a seamless and enjoyable viewing experience for your audience. Say goodbye to the frustration of slow or interrupted videos that could deter potential customers. Feature-rich solution: unlike standard hosting services or free platforms, Vidstreampro provides a comprehensive set of cutting-edge tools. From transcoding capabilities to AI-powered features, this platform equips you with everything necessary to create and deliver top-tier, engaging video content. User-friendly interface: designed with user ease in mind, Vidstreampro is accessible to both seasoned marketers and newcomers to video content creation. Its clean and organized interface simplifies video hosting and management, saving you valuable time and effort. Professional voiceovers: the text-to-speech feature empowers you to add professional voiceovers to your videos without the need for costly voice actors or recording equipment. This streamlined process ensures captivating voiceovers that elevate your content's impact. SEO optimization: with Vidstreampro's focus on SEO optimization, your embedded videos become easily indexed and ranked by search engines. Witness improved discoverability and an expanded audience for your content. In conclusion, Vidstreampro is the ultimate game changer for your video marketing endeavors. Don't hesitate to invest in this powerful platform and witness the transformation it brings to your video content and business success. The future of video marketing starts here. I have mentioned the purchase link in the description box.